Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter and our chapter name is linear equation in one variable. Our first exercise is exercise 2.1. A part is if 2x upon 3 minus 4 is equal to 4x upon 5, then we have to find out the value of x. First of all, what we do? We should move all algebraic terms on one side. That is, if we bring minus 4x upon 5 on the left hand side, it get negative sign, and minus 4 gets positive sign when it is bring to the right hand side. Now we are taking the LCM of 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. In the table of 15, if we divide 15 by 3, what we get? 5. And if 5 is multiplied by 2x, then our answer is 10x. The sign continues, that is negative sign. If we multiply 5 to 3, then we get 15. And 3 is multiplied to 4x, then our answer is 12x. And is equal to 4, which is already on the right hand side. Now, by solving this equation, if we subtract 10x from minus 12x, we get minus 2x upon 15 is equal to 4. Now, we all know that any number is moved to the opposite side. If it is in division, then it gets to multiplication. Minus 15 here, minus 15 is in division, so on the right hand side it get multiplied by 4, and our answer is minus 2x is equal to 60. Now minus 2 is also in multiplication with x, so according to the rule, if we move x minus 2 to the right hand side, it gets division. So now x is equal to 60 upon minus 2, and if we reduce this, what we get? 30. So the sign continues, and the value of x is equal to minus 30. So there are 4 options in the question, that is, first is minus 30 upon 11, second is 30 upon 11, and third is minus 30, and fourth one is 30. So by solving this question, we can answer that our third option is correct. Now come to the B part. If 9 minus 2x is equal to 8x minus 3, then find the value of x. Bring all the algebraic terms in one side and the constant term in one side. So 9, we bought minus 3 here, minus 3 from right hand side to left hand side, it gets plus 3 is equal to 8x is already in the right hand side. Then if we bring minus 2 on the right hand side, it get plus 2x. After solving 9 plus 3, what we get? 12 is equal to 8x plus 10 plus 2x is equal to 10x. As I have already told you that if we bring any terms which is in multiplication, then on the other side it gets on the division. So 12 upon 10 is equal to x. If we reduce it in simplest form, what we get? On the table, in the table of 2 6 ja 12 and 2 5 ja 10. So our answer is x is equal to 6 upon 5. So by solving the question, what we get? Our first option is correct. Now come to the C part, and our C part is if 2y plus 3 upon 3y minus 8 is is equal to 3 upon 2. Now again we have to find out the value of y in this case. After seeing this question, first of all we should apply the cross multiplication method like this. It means 2 is multiplied to the 2y plus 3 whole term is equal to 3 is multiplied to 3y minus 8 whole term. Now start multiplication. On the left hand side, 2 multiply by 2y, what we get? 4y. Now 2 is multiplied to 3, what we get? 6 is equal to, on the right hand side, 3 is multiplied to 3, what we get? 9y. The sign continues, minus sign, because plus minus means minus. Now 3 is again multiplied to 8y, what we get? 24. Again we will apply our previous formula, that is making algebraic terms, making variable terms on one side and constant term on another side. Here 6 is already in positive, so if we bring minus 24 on this side, it becomes plus 24 is equal to 9y is already there. If we bring 4y to the next to the right hand side, it becomes minus 4y. In the next step, if 24 plus 6, what we get? 30 is equal to 9y minus 4y, what we get? 5y. I have already told you that 5y means 5 is multiplied to y, and if we bring 5 on right hand side, it comes on the division. So 30 upon 5 is equal to y, and after solving is 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. And what is the answer we get? The value of y is equal to 6. So our fourth option is correct. Fourth option is correct. In D part the question is Seema has 3 balls A, B and C. Seema has 3 balls. Balls are A, B and C. A is twice heavy as B. B weighs 1/3 of C. So we have to find out the heaviest ball among A, B and C. First of all, balls are A, B and C. Let C balls is equal to X. Now according to question, A is equal A is twice B and B is 1/3 of C. So if we are taking C is equal to X, so B is equal to X upon 3 and A is equal to 2X upon 3. So among all of these C, B and A's ball C is heaviest. So according to, by solving this question, the heaviest ball is C. C is heaviest ball. So by solving the question, we get C is the heaviest ball. That is our third option is correct. Our second question is, which of the following is a linear expression? And our option is option A, 4 minus 3 upon 2x, B, 17r plus 2, C option, x square plus 1, and the last option, that is D, is equal to 4 into x plus 2 minus x cube. If we see all the options, we all know that in linear equation, the expression which show only 1 degree is known as linear equation. In first option, there is only 1 degree, that is x contain only 1 degree, so it is a linear equation. Option A is correct. In second option, we see that r also contains only 1 degree, so this option is also correct. In third option, we see x contains 2 degree, it means it becomes x square, so it is a quadratic equation, not a linear equation. So option C is wrong. In option D, we see that x contain degree 3, it means it is a cubic equation, not a linear equation, so option D is also incorrect. So the right options are option A and option B contains linear equation.